Hi, I am Vicros from BSHM1F. As hospitality management student, I know how important cleanliness and sanitation are, not only in hotels, but also in our homes and community. Today, I will show you simple and practical ways to keep our surroundings clean and safe. So, let's start.
Sa balay, dapat everyday na tulimpihan ng area. Like manilig para mawala nga bugug-hugaw. Mag-floor wax to keep the floor shiny and safe. Magtrapo sa lamisa para limpyo siya tan-awon ug dili magpondo ang abog. Also, clean the doorknobs and other things we always touch kay diri kasagaran magpundo ang germs. Simple ra kayo pero importante para malikayan ang sakit. And yes, personal hygiene is very important. Maghugas sa kamot for at least 20 seconds, mag-sanitizer, o gi-cover ang mouth kung mo-cough or sneeze. Clean body equals healthy body. And of course, dili lang dapat sulod sa balay ang limpyo. As part of our community, we should also take care of the surroundings outside our home. Bisan gamay lang nga area, makatabang gyapon para mas limpyo ug mas safe ang lugar. Kini pod, dapat sakto ang paglabay sa basura. Separate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Dili maglabay bisagasa kay makakusog pa og sakit. Responsible disposal equals a healthy community.
Keeping our environment clean is everyone's responsibility. As an HM student, I believe that cleanliness is part of good service. Let us make cleanliness a daily habit, not just an activity. Together, we can build a cleaner, safer, and healthier community. Mabuhay! And thank you for watching.